dear smarts. This is 8th class mathematics. The children, if you finish any topics, any chapters, it's compulsory you have to know complete knowledge. Complete knowledge. Before finishing, once I repeat what you have learnt in this chapter, how to find out the value of x, how to solve the x. So we will do some more problems, then after we move another chapter. So children, solve x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. Solve means find the value of x or y or any other variable. So here x by 2. Before solving, we gather variables at LHS, constants, or RHS. So x by 2 minus x by 3 equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Transpose into RHS, it changes minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Now take LCM. 2 3s are 6. 2 3 times 3x minus 3 2 times 2x equal to, here take LCM 4. Observe carefully. 2 4 LCM is 4. 2 times 2 ones are 2, 4 1 time 1. 3x minus 2x, x by 6 equal to 2 plus 1 3 by 4. Now x equal to 3 by 4. Here 6 divides. If we transposing to RHS, it multiplies. So 3 2s are 2 2s are 3 3s are 9 by 2. X equal to 9 by 2. Is there any doubt? How to solve? You must know compulsory. Then after again, I will tell another one. Solve. X minus 4 by 7 minus x plus 4 by 5 equal to x plus 3 by 7. X plus 3 by 7. X minus 4 by 7, x plus 4 by 5 equal to x plus 3 by 7. So children, first here take LCM. 7 5s are 35. 7 and 35 5 times. 5 into x minus 4. Put bracket because here two numbers x minus 4. That's why put bracket. And minus 5 7 times. 7 into x plus 4 equal to x plus 3 by 7. Next, multiply with 5. 5x minus 5 4s are 20 minus 7x minus 7 4s are 28 by 35 equal to x plus 7 by 7. X plus 3 by 7. 5x minus 7x minus 2x minus 20 minus 28 minus 48 by minus 48 by 35. X plus 3 by 7. Now cross multiplication. Do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means here 7 transposing LHS, 7 into minus 2x minus 48. Or else, if it is easy to do, before going to cross multiplication, we just send 35 to RHS. Minus 2x minus 48 equal to x plus 3 by 7 into 35. into 35. Because 7 and 35, 5 sevens are 35. So minus 2x minus 48 equal to 5 into 5x plus 15. Very simple. Again minus 2x plus 5x transpose into LHS minus 5x 15 minus 48 transpose into RHS plus 48 minus 2x minus 7x equal to, add these two, 63. X equal to 63 by 7 minus x equal to minus x equal to minus 9. This is the answer. X equal to minus 9. Confident children? Five x plus 2 by 2x plus 3. 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 equal to 12 by 7. So children, here take cross multiplication. If 7 comes LHS, 7 into 5x plus 2. 12 into 2x plus 3. Very next step, clear the brackets. 7 5s are 35x plus 2 7s are 14. Here clear the bracket. 12 2s are 24x plus 3 12s are 36. Before clearing brackets, we multiply by 7 these two terms. We multiply by 12 these two terms. Then we remove the bracket. So again, 35x plus 14, 24x plus 36. Join all variables to LHS. 35x minus 24 equal to 36 plus 14 transposing minus 14. Minus 14. 35x minus 24x. This is 11x. Equal to 36 minus 14. 12. X equal to 12 by 11. X equal to 12 by what? X equal to 24x equal to 36 minus 14. This equal to 11x equal to 22. X equal to 22 by 11. 2 times x equal to 2. X equal to 2. Here 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 4. Find the number. Find the number. We don't know the number. Let the number be. Let the number be x. 4/5 of a number. 4/5. That number. 4/5 of that number is 4/5. 4 by 5x. Next. 3/4 of that number. 3/4 x, 3/4x. According to sum, what is asked? 4/5 of a number is greater than 3/4 of the number by 4. 4/5, 4/5x minus 3/4x equal to 4. 4/5x minus 3/4x equal to 4. Now this is in the equation form. Let's take LCM. 20 LCM. 4 times 4 4s are 16x. 5 times 15x equal to 4. 16x minus 15x, x equal to 4 into 20. X equal to 80. Therefore, the required number is Required number is 80. Required number is 80. Copy down. Here, the numerator of a fraction is 6 less than the denominator. If 3 is added to the numerator, the fraction is equal to 2/3. Find the original fraction. So here, let the denominator of fraction be x. Let the denominator of the fraction be x. Then numerator is numerator is 1. The denominator of the fraction is 6 less than the denominator. 6 less than x minus 6. X minus 6. Here x minus 6. Therefore, the fraction is, according to the problem, according to the sum, here also, if 3 is added to the numerator, the fraction is equal to, according to the problem, x minus 6 plus 3 by x equal to 2/3. That's it. Find x. X minus 6 minus 6 plus 3 minus 3 by x equal to 2/3. Cross multiplication. 3 into x minus 3 equal to 2x. 3x minus 9 equal to 2x. 3x minus 2x equal to 9. 3x minus 2x, x equal to 9. X equal to 9. Now, what is x? Let the denominator of the fraction be x. Denominator equal to denominator equal to 9. Then numerator equal to, what is numerator? The numerator is x minus 6. Denominator 9. 9 minus 6, 3. Therefore, the fraction is 3/9. This is equal to 3/9 or 1/3. 3/9. Confidentially, practice all these. Tomorrow we'll do some more problems on this exercise. Okay. Close this.